Purchasing a home is a major decision, and potential homeowners are often faced with difficult choices of deciding between a move-in ready property or one that needs some work. Fixer-upper properties, which are homes in need of repair or renovation, can be an attractive option for buyers looking for a deal and an opportunity to personalize their space. But before jumping into a fixer-upper purchase, it's important to understand exactly what you're getting into. Having a professional realtor help evaluate the home and the potential costs of renovations would be very helpful before finalizing any purchase. More costly renovations may include roofing, windows, and a furnace. Things to look for that may become bigger issues later on can include possible water damage and mold issues. Home inspections, therefore, are highly recommended for these types of properties. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.